Hi, STEMsters. Don't throw that bottle away, because today we're going to make a rocket launcher. 3, 2, 1. Hi, STEMsters. Today we're going to be making a rocket launcher. Rockets started back in 1232. It was invented by the Chinese while they were fighting the Mongolians. They called them fire arrows and would fire into the sky. You might have seen them on Milan, if you watched the movie Milan. Well, in 1926, a man named Dr. Robert Goddard, who used liquid-fueled rockets using a liquid propellant and adding a nozzle at the bottom of the rocket, just like our rockets today. And because of that, we call him the father of modern rocketry. These are the parts and tools you're going to need to build your rocket launcher and rocket. First, from the recycle bin, your bottle. Then colored paper, including white, a glue gun, a Sharpie, roll of tape, scissors, a pencil, a 3/8 drill bit, and a drill. Remember, get your parents to help you with the drill bit. That'll be fun. Now that you have your rocket built and your rocket launcher, you place the rocket over the launcher and you're ready to go. Now you can try different ways of launching your rocket. You can launch it straight up, or you can turn it at an angle and shoot it this way. If you're outside and the wind's coming towards you, you can aim it right for the wind and try to get your rocket to land right where you're standing or close by. You can also do some measurements on how far your rocket went, which is fun. You can also change where the propeller or the air propellant comes from and use a larger bottle. Now, if you're using a standard soda bottle, the caps you'll find are the same. So we can put our rocket launcher right on top of another bottle. Now we have a bigger one, and we can see if it goes even farther. Wow, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Now don't forget to write your results in your data logbook. Until next time, it's me, Professor Jim. And don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button somewhere on there and visit our website at ProdigySTEM.com. Bye.